In this video, I'm going to go over a spinning fishing reel. This is the BK7000 size, and this is from the company HPLIFE. Check that out. And looking over the box here, so you know the sizes, 6 or 7,000. The ratios are 4 to 7 to 1. The line capacity on this thing is 15 to 175 pounds. Are you kidding me? That is a lot. So that can't be a 175-pound reel. And so I had got this for some catfishing or some carp fishing, and there's the reel itself. It was in this. What is it? Looks like we get a little set of instructions. All of this looks like how to work the drag, the tension, how to run it through there. But you know what? If you've got this, you probably know how to work a fishing rod. So let me show you on this thing. So number one, here's what I really liked. I like the fact how they did the handle. So some of the handles are screw, but this one is a fold over like that. So it screws over like that, and this is going to mount into your rod. So this is a left-handed control that I have here because I cast right-handed and then I reel back with my left hand. So it does have the open face design there. Seems to work pretty good. And then it has the, I don't know if you can hear that, the drag tightener down right there. Look at that. It does have a reverse. So the reverse, it's got forward. Like, see, that's the lock. And then that's reverse. The reason you'd use a reverse is to kind of like work a fish in. So if you're like using forward or reverse to tire it out some. But me, what I do, I'll reel it in and then I open the face up and then give it some line, or I loosen the drag up. So that way it pulls pretty good off of the drag. This has 13 ball bearings in it. So you can take it all apart using that right there. You can unscrew that. So yeah, this is one of these reels that I think I'm going to be using pretty much on all of my catfishing and carp fishing. I got to get me a new rod and get my braids set up, and I should be good to go. Little wooden handle to it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the HP HL7000 fishing reel. See you all in the next video.